Jong?
Yes, because you have been speaking for so long.
Yeah,
so, the chair would like to...
I was acting as the chairman.
Okay.
I had my
Because
name listed as
you
one
have
of the
been seeking the phone for too long.
Mr. Chair, I had my name listed earlier as one of the interpellators, but I give way to Congresswoman Franz Castro, our incoming senator. By the way, Mr. Chair, hindi lang po si Chairman Benny Abante at saka si Chairman Manong Romy ang may iwan dito. May iwan tayong lahat dito. I give way first.
Kung mananalo.
Kung mananalo, hopefully. So I give way first to Congresswoman Franz Castro.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congresswoman Franz Castro, you recognize?
Okay, thank you Mr. Chair, no, doon sa forward-looking na pwedeng magawa natin doon sa mga biktima, pamilya ng mga biktima, yung mga immediate na pwedeng maitulong, kagaya na nabanggit na ni Father Noel, no, yung livelihood, scholarship sa mga anak, at saka yung iba pang mga pwedeng maitulong po ng ating Kongreso. So, Mr. Chair, ang question ko kasi for the second round, no, yung tungkol doon sa tinanong ko kanina kay Dr. Fortune, etong mga ebidensya like yung mga bullet, no, yung slacks ng mga bullet, tiniturn over sa NBI. Tama po ba yun, Director Lavin?
Thank you, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. If there is a court order, if there are incidents pending before the courts and the court would order the turnover of the evidence to the NBI, then the NBI would be glad to safekeep those pieces of evidence.
Okay. And Mr. Chair, kasi regular man or not regular yung nangyaring operations, pero dahil may namatay, Mr. Chair, so dapat lahat maimbestigahan at tama ba na makuha yung mga pieces of evidence po?
Mr. Chair, Your Honors, to answer that is an ideal situation, Your Honor.
Oo, kasi Mr. Chair, parang hindi ko matanggap na may namatay dahil regular operation yan ay walang pananagutan yung ating mga pulis na nakapatay, no? At hindi pagpatay agad yung pwedeng dapat na gawin, no? Like yung i-disable mo yan, no, para maimbestigahan at maano. But anyway, Mr. Chair, ang tanong ko kasi yung tungkol doon sa Bloody Sunday massacre. No, yung Bloody Sunday massacre. So, Mr. Chair, at familiar ba ang NBI dito sa mga kaso na ito?
I'm not,
Lavin.
I do not have the records.
Yes.
Thank you.
So dahil wala rin naman talaga dito yung DOJ, tama po ba, Mr. Chair? Wala tayong DOJ, no? But anyway, next meeting, iimbitahan natin sila. So, kaugnay po noong Bloody Sunday Massacre, Mr. Chair, may we invite po yung AO35 Special Investigation Team ng Nasugbu, Batangas, kaugnay po dito. Kasi pinag-uusapan natin yung EJK, hindi lang naman po drugs, no, related, kundi yung activist related po. So, Mr. Chair, pwede po ba natin maimbitahan yung Special Investigation Team by AO35, Nasugbu, Batangas, si DCP Dulce Ricafort Fuller ng DOJ. I move, Mr. Chair, no, para mas formal, to invite the Special Investigation Team, AO35 ng Nasugbu, Batangas, under the Department of Justice, si DCP Dulce M. Ricafort Fuller, Attorney Julio Cahigan Jr., NBI po ito. Tapos si Wilfredo Umaming, Investigation Agent, Riv Marlo Arturo Gotisan, Investigation Agent, Roger Siblangan Jr., Investigation Agent, and Sulikha Marie Conales, Investigation Agent, at Prosecution Attorney Jumila May Fugaban, Mr. Chair. May I move to
I'm
invite?
sure the committee secretary has taken note of the names of those personalities that Congresswoman Castro would like to invite for the next Quadcom hearing. So, Comsec, please make sure that they will be given invitations. Thank you, Congresswoman Castro.
Mr. Chair, related din po doon sa tanong ko lang po kung na-imbestigahan din po na-invite na-invite po yung minotion po ni Representative Arlene Brosas po na dapat na imbitahan ng mga pulis.
In the last
Yes.
the last committee hearing of the
Last
Quad.
committee hearing, Mr. Chair.
Yes, I'm sure we've taken note of those names. We've sent out, I think the COMSEC did not send the invitation for today's committee hearing,
Okay,
but maybe
next.
in the next.
Okay. So in the next committee hearing, naimbitahan naman na po si Guillermo Ilyasar, si Lito Patay, Felipe Natividad, Warren Delim, si Jacinto Malinaw, Armelina Manalo. Ito po yung mga ground commander supervisor po, no. At saka yung ibinigay, marami po ito, bibigay na lang natin, Mr.
Yes.
Chair, sa kasi nasabi naman na to ni Congressman Arlene.
Meron na pong invitation niya, mga list of those names requested by Congresswoman Brosa. So, siguro sa susunod nating pagdinig ay iimbitahin na po natin sila.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. So, are there any other members who wish to... yes, Congressman Adyong.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Akala ko nakalimutan na yung chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'll be very, very quick. I'd like to ask, because I forgot to ask Colonel Grijaldo regarding the Special Investigation Task Force. Was there a final result of the investigation?
The submission of the resolution of the
Yes.
SITG was already submitted to the CIDG, Your Honor.
So may nahuli na ba, na-identify na ba yung mga assailant, yung nakita sa CCTV? Were they
Your Honor,
apprehended?
I
Or
have
was there
no,
any case filed against a particular person?
I have no personal knowledge as to the resolution being done by the SITG, Your Honor.
That's unusual because you're part of the Special Investigation Task Force, hindi ba? Would you know?
Your Honor, I was already relieved from my position as the Chief of Police of Mandaluyong before it was resolved, Your Honor.
Yeah, because Mr. Chair, if I can recall last hearing, there was no individual that was charged in relation to the murder case of General Barayuga. That's so unfortunate because the government invested so much. They even created a special investigative task force to really unearth what caused and what are the culprits and what are the reason behind this murder. And yet so ironic because walang nakasuhan. Yun lang po. That's just my manifestation, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'd like to invite to the attention of General Wilkins Villanueva. Sir, magandang gabi po, sir. I'd like to take off from the line of questioning of Congressman Keith Flores earlier. I know these questions have been asked and then in the earlier previous hearings that we had, and I believe you have also, in fairness to you, you have also responded quite extensively on some areas concerns by the committee. Just like to zero in on the issue of the Dumoy raid. Vis-a-vis, there's also another raid that happened, hindi ho ba? Apart from the Dumoy raid, there's also another area which a raid was also conducted, and there was also the issue on the Arlene apartment, no? So, Mr. Chair, if I may understand it correctly, these are three separate occasions and events,